Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean copper vessels with vinegar. You'll discover a simple, natural, and highly effective way to bring back the brilliant shine to your copper items. This method uses common household ingredients, making it both economical and environmentally friendly. We'll cover everything from preparing your cleaning solution to the final polishing steps, ensuring your copper looks its absolute best. Get ready to transform your tarnished pieces. Let's dive into the cleaning process. First, combine 1/2 cup of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of salt in a small bowl. Stir until the salt dissolves. Next, dip a soft cloth or sponge into this solution and apply it directly to your copper vessel. Gently rub the tarnished areas, and you'll notice the grime lifting away. After scrubbing, rinse the copper thoroughly under warm water to remove all traces of the solution. This step is crucial for a streak-free finish. To achieve the best results, consider these helpful tips. For particularly stubborn tarnish, you can make a thicker paste by adding a small amount of flour to your vinegar and salt mixture. Apply this paste and let it sit for about 10 minutes before scrubbing. Remember to always use a soft cloth or sponge. Never use abrasive materials like steel wool, which can scratch and damage the copper. Finally, dry your copper thoroughly with a clean, soft towel immediately after rinsing to prevent new water spots. Maintaining your copper's shine is simple. After cleaning, a quick polish with a dry, soft cloth can enhance its brilliance. To prevent future tarnishing, store your copper items in a dry environment away from excessive humidity. Consider applying a thin layer of mineral oil for added protection and shine. And speaking of keeping things fresh, if you're looking for ways to streamline your kitchen, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.